Good day everyone, I am Giancarlo P. Collada and I was tasked to report assignment 5 number 5. So the given here is 2 cotangent x plus 6x squared. As you can see, these are the equations of finding the derivatives. So first, let's apply the rules, which is derivative rules. So the derivative of 2 cotangent x is 2 times negative cosecant squared x. And it is negative 2 cosecant squared x. For the 6x squared, the derivative of 6x squared is 12x. So now let's combine the derivatives. So the derivatives of g of x is g prime of x is equals to negative 2 cosecant squared x plus 12x. Therefore, the derivative of g of x equals 2 cotangent x plus 6x squared is g prime of x is equals to negative 2 cosecant squared x plus 12x. That's all and thank you.